The Tourism Enhancement Fund plans on spending an estimated $1 billion to upgrade Montego Bay's hip strip, and we welcome it. The hip strip is Montego Bay's tourism hub. It's the home for fan favorites like Margaritaville, Coral Cliff, Doctor's Cave Beach, Usain Bolt Straxton Records, Starbucks, Pelican Grill, Blue Beat, just to name a few. It has many names: Bottom Road, Gloucester Avenue, the Hip Strip, and as of 2019, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Jimmy Cliff, whose real name is James Chambers, is a world-renowned reggae singer. The plan to upgrade was announced at the St. James Municipal Corporation's Multi-Sectoral Forum, which was held on November 29 of last year at the Montego Bay Cultural Center. Chairman Godfrey Dyer said the area to be upgraded starts at KFC and goes all the way down to Dead End Beach. They plan on developing some of the infrastructure in the area with the goal of making the hip strip more aesthetic, thereby improving the area, which is understandably an important part of Montego Bay's tourism products. The development includes, but is not limited to, widening the sidewalks, placing the utility cables that hang overhead underground, and constructing themed facades. They have already received applications from architects, and once they have settled on an architect and a design, they will have meetings to share the plan and how they will move forward. Earlier in the year, Edmund Bartlett at the 2021-2022 sectorial debate had mentioned heavy streetscaping and the possibility of the area being pedestrianized. In addition, the development of an entertainment park that will stretch from Harmony Beach Park to Dead End Beach was also proposed at the time. Hopefully, that is still on the roster. Are you excited for this new development, and do you agree that it will add to the tourism experience in the area? Or are you of the opinion that funds should be spent elsewhere? I've seen quite a few comments on previous videos expressing the need for the government to also develop the non-tourist areas of the city that by comparison are much less aesthetic.